Okay. So today it's gonna be a bunch of nerd programming. Let's see. Can I use this? I don't think I can. I want to calculate the probability of being able to win. I want to make sure I haven't introduced too many unwinnable states. So let's see. So what I want to do. Where is it? Is it happening here? Oh, that's right, because I have the cards defined now in the CSV. So I could do something similar and just convert the symbols. Okay, yeah, let's do that. We'll have something like this. I want to call it a bitmap, but it's not a bitmap. Whatever. Get mad. Get mad about it. Yeah, this should work. This should work. This last one's intentional. Excuse me. Screw it. It's probably enough. Whatever. Okay, this is bothering me. Okay. So the goal is to convert. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. look like I was already kind of doing this? Oh, that's for... What's this symbol map? Oh, this is for generating the Lua thing. Alright, not useful for what I'm doing, but still, good to know. Okay, so... In theory, that shouldn't happen. But I have been wrong before. So then, each card would be like a variation between these bouncing between like this being 0 or 2 and this one being 0 2 or this one being 0 2 or just being 1 if it's not there. So like a card with plus diamonds, plus crowns, and minus hands would be something like be like 2 2 0 1 1. So that way you could easily add up all the cards together, and then you could do like some mods, mods and comparisons against like 500 or 5 or depending on the number of cards in your hand to like quickly calculate like what your dominant symbols are. That's the theory. That's the thought. This might be a waste of time or stupid or just completely wrong, but let's find out. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So that's already in there. So it is. That should not have happened. So how is this happening? Simple map should be game populated at the same time, so... So... the first example I gave... this is not finished yet. There should only be 2 in here, so something is not right. Yeah, I think there should be 1 more to the left. Okay. Okay, better. Okay. Good, goody, goody, goody. Yes, this is much more like what I'm looking to see. Yes. So every single one of these should be a 0, 0, should have two ones, and then either 1, 2, or 2 2s. And that looks like the case. It's looking like the case. Okay. Alright, good. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to pop one. And that's going to be my baseline desire, because you only need to check one because they're like statistically identical. Like even though there are more desire cards with like plus like diamonds and minus daggers, like if you have one of those cards versus like say having a card with plus roses and minus diamonds, like the chances of you having like those symbols in your hands or in your opponent's hands are the same. It's just it's more likely that those are going to be the symbols that you desire. Hope I'm making sense. Anyways, what was I saying? Okay, right. Okay, so we're going to subtract one to be our baseline desires card. How do I pop? Or oh, I know. Okay. I should be able to like pop one, I think, right? Or is it possible to pop from a set? Looks like it. Okay. It's probably gonna be random. Is it possible to pop a specific? So you can't remove an element, so let's just do remove 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 2 0 2. Alright, that should be one. That should be a desire. Okay, I think. Right? It'll give me an error if that doesn't work, right? Okay, so now so potential hand sizes go pretty much from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, I think, right? 8 players, 7 players, 6 players, 5 players, 4 players, 3 players. And then, okay, how do I look way back and get history? Oh, right, okay. Well, it's kind of wild to think that it's only been like a little bit longer than 2 months since I started working on this. Yeah, something like this. Is it faster to add all elements of a set, or... Because maybe it's not necessary for this to be a set, maybe it could just be a list. Yeah, maybe just a list would be fine. Is that how you... No, it's raise. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, okay. Alright, actually this makes it even better. Because if it's a list, then it'll have duplicates. So these could be 0, because these are pretty much irrelevant. It doesn't matter what these are. Which means that this could just be... So there are going to be duplicate cards in this case. Which might be a little bit confusing. But I think my logic is sound. Okay, that's pretty much how this works, right? Like, if your desires card has these 3 symbols, you literally do not care what these are. So, we're just gonna pop out this. Oh, wait, if it has duplicates, is it gonna remove all those? Okay, well, since it's a list, I could just pop, I think. And see what it is. Or actually, crap. Does this remove... Oh, it removes the first occurrence of the element from... Okay, good. Alright, so we'll do that. So hand sizes, yes. For combination, okay, so air tool same. Well, that's the problem. This says it does like no repeat objects. Oh, based on their position, not their value. Perfect. Okay, good. That's what I'm looking for. God, I love documentation. I hope this is right, because this will screw me over if it's not. Interesting. Okay. Interesting, but alright, so this will go through all the combinations in bitmap based on hand size. Right, so let's see. Possible hands equal to 0. 1 match, double match, triple match. Oh no, there's probably going to be a smart way to do this, but I'll figure it out as I go. Any two, and then any one, which should be the easiest. Because right now it's double match. You have to have 2 of the symbols. Triple match is independence. Originally it was any 2. So let's do some mathematical magic. So possible is 1. Go some hand. Okay. So let's do a way to calculate the total number of matches. Does this have mod? Okay, it does. So like, if I have like 3, 8, 4, or something like that, yeah. Yeah. And I did like mod 10,000. It would give me that. So I could do something like total mod 10,000. I could do a total minus total mod 1,000. if this is less than hand size times 10,000. Or actually, it'd be hand size. Crap, what about cases where it's like... Okay, so in the hand of 10, it would have to be less than... So like, if it was equal, it'd be 5 zeros and 5 ones. So it would be exactly at 5,000. But if it was a 9-card hand, and you had I think it'd have to be ceiling. Because in a 9-card hand, if you had 40,000, that would mean that you had more negatives. Oh wait, but there's also gotta be the... So you could have a hand anywhere from 0 to 18,000. 90,000 would be if it was a straight... Okay. Right. Okay. So it'd just be hand size times that. Okay. I think I got this right. Yeah, because if it's all ones, then that means there's none of them, so it'd be like that. Okay. So if you had like... You did mod 10,000, and then you did mod 100, Okay. I think this works. God. Putting a lot of faith into my ability to math. Okay. Alright. Pretty sure it's a smart way to do this, but whatever, I'm doing this way for right now. There is 100% a smart way to do this. For one. I swear I didn't do that on purpose. It's a triple! Let's do this in order of like what I think is I want to change this into a percentage, but I just want to see if this even fucking works. Oh, it's doing lots of math. Oh, it's calculating. There's a lot of combinations. It's like 70,000 or no, more than that, like 70 million. No, 60 million. What was it again? Self-destruct. The way you look at me, I short circuit. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Out of 59 cards, combinations of 10. Yes, let's see. Thousand, million, 62 billion. 62 billion. There's probably a mathematical way to do this. Like a much smarter way of doing this. Ooh. There. First of all, let's verify the length of bitmap after this. Let's put in a thing for keeping track. I may have to make this more efficient. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that looks about right. Duplicates and stuff. Okay, good, good. Okay, let's get rid of that. Make my body sing. Oh my god. So for those millions. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while to calculate. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while to calculate. Is that 1 billion? No, it's not even. It's barely like 15. So it'll take a while, but it will eventually work, I think. Wait, that looks bigger than 70 billion. Okay, alright, if I'm going to do it this way, then I'm going to be calculating percentages. How about every 10 million? Just as a test, 1 million. And then we're going to change this into percentage. What looks right? Is it like this? Yeah, okay. So, actually, screw it. Okay, I should write this to a file instead. The way this is looking like something I'm gonna have to run overnight. Okay. And if I was a smarter woman, I could probably figure out some way to statistically figure it out, but not feeling that smart. I'm gonna brute force it, okay? I'm gonna lay about brute force. Alright, let's see how this looks. Oh, oops, yeah. Alright, this is looking right. Chances of having any one symbol match. Chances of any two. I was not expecting it to be like almost double. I was not really expecting that. Also wasn't really expecting single to be kind of close to the any too. That's kind of wild. This looks like it's approaching a thing. I mean, it's not even close to done, so like... I guess it makes sense that it's approaching a number. Because... Or is it? I don't know. This is actually going up. Are any of these going down? They should be going down in some cases. Wait. Oh, no, wait. Yeah. Some cases should be going down. Yeah, okay. Well, that triple just went down. Triple's been going down. Or... Yeah, okay. Yeah, any one just went down some. But as a general idea, it looks like going from any two to doubles made it so that there's like a 1 in 5 chance that a hand has a potential match. Triple being 5% chance. Like a 1 in 20. Like you roll a natural 20 if you happen to start with a independent victory. Which I kind of like. Okay, do I want to change this to a single desire symbol? How would it change the game? Because I don't know if I like this 20% thing. 1 in 5 chance. That means like you have pretty good chances of not being able to win if because what I don't want is to make it so that you have to expect a partner to fish in order for you to win, or for everybody to win. Like, there should be, like, okay, maybe not in the real world, but in this game, there should be somebody who's a match for you. I'm thinking about this. It wouldn't be too hard to change it so there's a single symbol. And I could still make it, like, I could still bump the odds by... Actually, if I pick the single symbol, I would like to pick it from the double side, so it forces the distribution to be a little bit more even, because otherwise I have the potential of making it like all... Actually, why not? Why not have it skewed like that? Like 50% chance that you're looking for, well, 20% chance. Like, I could skew it pretty hard. And then for independence, it could just be double. So it's like a 1 in 5 chance that you have like what you're looking for. I'm thinking about it. Anyone is like so high. I'm still a little surprised how much this changed. Well, these numbers are still changing. How many is this so far? So it's not even close. Okay, alright, so let's change this. Prabha. Is that how you spell it? Oh my god, what's going on with my brain? Okay. Do I think these values are right? It's the same. I like this song. I really hope I'm doing this right. I think I am, but I don't know if I am, to be very honest. The logic makes sense in my head, but I could be completely wrong about this. I guess one way I can know for sure is to do this with two different values. It should come out to exactly the same. So I can run this another time. Okay, so this is at 1 million. So let's change this to a 1 billion status. No, 100 million status. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's run that and then go to bed, I guess. Oh my god. Somebody has found my Instagram. How do I... Somebody has found my Instagram. Okay, bruh. Relax. Holy moly. This guy just going through and liking the whole lot. Do I know who the heck this guy is? I don't think I do. Okay. What was I going to do? Go to bed? Alright, is this gonna work? I hope so. Okay, if it's gonna do all this work, I might as well print the exact numbers. Just so I could be like, yo, here are the exact odds. Actually, okay. Okay, it's really bothering me. I need to format this. Screw it. I'm gonna leave it. No, I need to change it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I should be using this anyways. Is that right? should test it first, but whatever. So possible hands should be the same for all. No, it won't be the same. It won't be the same. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, looking good. Is that what I'm looking for? Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I see what's going on. Damn it. Is it maybe counting the... There we go. There we go. Alright, good. Okay. Okay. So every 100 million, it will give me a little status text, and it will eventually be writing the final results into this file. And I will leave this running probably all night because I'm a dumb bitch and I'm refusing to do proper statistics. Whatever. I'm lazy. But I think just from that sampling, I've already gotten a good taste of what I need to change. Might need to change it so that it's just a single symbol. Is that going to be sufficient for what I'm looking for? I think it might be, but have I been overcomplicating this game too much? If you're only looking for a single symbol, it almost makes the tracker feel irrelevant. See, if it's like about a 30% chance that you just have the one symbol, then that means even in a 3-player game, there's like a decent chance. I don't know, not that great. Okay, this statistics I should know how to do. Well, I should run this. Okay, so if it's a 30% chance that it shows up in a hand, not accounting for the fact that the hands, well, I guess it probably helps that the hands are different, right? Like, because if a hand does not have your symbol, that means there's an increased chance that another hand's gonna have it. I kind of want to calculate this, but this is just calculating it for a single hand is already freaking killer. Shoot. Oh, I really want to calculate that, actually. How would I do that? Maybe I really do have to figure out how to do this properly statistically, because there's no way I could do, because that would be like a nested combination loop and it's already freaking brutal. I gotta figure out the math for this. Okay, well, I'm gonna let this run while I think about statistics and maybe talking to somebody smarter than me. Because I didn't really think about it, but that actually is gonna make a big difference. Because if one hand doesn't have it, that increases the chances of another hand having it, right? Not 100%, but like a little bit, like statistically a little bit better. Maybe a little bit, just like a little bit. Well, anyway, if that was not the case and they were all the same and it was a 30% chance that each hand had a chance of matching your single symbol, then it would be 1 minus 0.3, and then it would be this times itself times itself, when actually just two people. It's a 50% chance. That's actually not great odds. Wow, so like with 0.2, oh wait, I forgot to subtract again. So we're talking like right now, with it being forced two symbols, like a two symbol match, we're talking like a 36% chance that one of the other people has that. And for yourself to have a triple match is like 120. So that's not really sufficient. That's not really good enough. And then even 50% chance isn't really that great. That's kind of wild. Okay, so what if we did, what if we made independence 2 symbols instead of all 3? Then it would be something like this. It would be 0.7 times 0.7, and then the chance that you have at least 2. What was the odds? It was like, yeah, it was like closer to 0.3, so it'd be, no. Shoot, like, actually it should show up in here. Okay, so it's looking like for a double match, it's about 20% chance. So if we're just looking for a single symbol, we're looking at something like 63. So times 0.63. Wait a minute. Oh, clear. 0.63 times 0.63. That's the chances of, wait, minus. It's the chances of one of the other players having your symbols. And then if I'm doing this right, I think it's 0.6 times 0.63 times the odds of you not having a double, which is a 0.8 or a 0.79. No, that makes it worse. You want to add. Not exactly add. It's like an or. It's like you have that or. Oh, okay. I think I have to do. What did I say it was? Oh my god. All the mathematicians being like, this dumb bitch. Okay, so it's about 60% chance that your opponents have what you need, and it would be about a 20% chance that you have what you need. So the odds of both of you not having what you need would be something like 0.4 for them not having what you need, and 0.8 for you not having what you need. So like about 30% chance of just flat out not being able to win the game. Wow. So I think I have to make that change at least. Or I'd have to go back to, or I'd have to go back to like the NE2, NE1 kind of scenario. God, I never really thought about that. Yeah, I think I have to make that change. I think I have to change independence to being the bottom 2 and matrimony just being the top single one. I think that's what I gotta do. If you only have to keep track of a single symbol for other players, that's gotta open up some bandwidth in your brain, right? Oops, sorry. Okay, I think I gotta make this change. I'm meeting with my mentor tomorrow. And I've already got changes planned for my game. Okay, well, I guess I could start working on that now. Let's see, what would that look like? Be the same file. Okay, well, first of all, okay, so if I want the desires to be the single symbol and the I could really have a lot more freedom with this. I could make it so that the desire symbol is one of any of these 3, and then How do I make it so? I guess I could change this. I should make a backup of this. Okay, so alright, if I'm going to be doing this, and I have 60 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. There's like 15, it could be as much as 15 on one side. I don't like that. The reason I don't like that is because gain independence should not exclude the things that you're looking for in a partner. If you needed money, being independent shouldn't mean that you don't need money at all. It should mean that you need money and something else. So, God, this is making the cards seem confusing. God, there's like... Before with the desire split, it was just like 2 pieces of information. It was like, these top 2 symbols are like the win condition, and the bomb symbol was just like an extra symbol. But if I do it this way, then it's going to be like, this is a desire symbol, this is an independence symbol, this is just a trait symbol. I might just have to abandon the idea of desires being tied to the trait cards, which is something that I really liked at first, but I think maybe it just doesn't make any sense anymore. It was already feeling kind of like thematically mucky, because like you'd have like a card that says like fortunate as your desires, and then you're actually it's actually more like you're unfortunate because you're looking for a fortunate player. So I think I might just have to change it and go back to the idea of having desire cards that are distinct from the trait cards. I think that's what I gotta do. Oh my god, this is gonna require so many changes. Oh, why didn't I do this before? Oh, why didn't I do math? Why didn't I do the maths from the get-go? Oh. Okay. Alright. Okay. I need to like sleep on this and think about this. This opens up so many other things. Okay. My mind's racing too much. Go back to the theme, the idea that I'm using this to test base mechanics. The desires cards should only list the symbol that you're looking for in a partner and the additional symbol that you're looking for independence. And then how many of those cards do I want in the game? I do like the idea of those being slanted towards wanting one thing more than the other. Oh, yeah, it's 54 cards, I think. I think that's what my Sib was saying. So I've got 60 cards right now. Wait, what's going on there? Because there's 52 cards in a deck, and then there's like the Joker and the Rules card or something. I forget, whatever. Anyway, so it's that. Minus 60. I'd have 48 possible. I could create like 48. As long as I'm not creating any other cards, then I'd have 48 possible desire cards. Should I leave room for other cards? If I subtract 8, one for each player, then I'd have a flat 40. Let's do that. We'll plan to have 40 desire cards. And there's going to be duplicates. God, I can't believe how much work I just spawned for myself by doing this exercise. Wow, the odds are actually looking even worse as time goes on. It should be much better odds of finding a partner. So a single symbol does seem like a good idea for that. A double being like 20%. Yeah, because I don't want it to be impossible that you start off with a winning hand. Although 15% might be a little too high. Okay, my mind's racing. I kind of need to like... I might need to write this down. I might need a journal on this. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Hope you have a good evening and an even better tomorrow. Goodbye.